Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy Bitcoin in Transak. So to get started with a quick and honest straightforward guide, so the first thing to do is to visit the Transak buy page, which is transak.com/buy/BTC. Then from there you have to enter and input the amount of fiat currency, for example USD or euro you wish to spend. Then from there you can also choose your preferred payment method. Then also we will provide with the wallet address. So the wallet address, enter your Bitcoin wallet address where the bits will be sent to. Then from there you also have to complete your identity verification, which is your KYC. So log into your email and complete your customer KYC process. Then after that, make the payment. Then complete the payment using your choosing payment method, and that's how you can simply buy Bitcoin in Transak. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.